Oh, I'm sorry. I'm busy banging on John's hard thing.
What?
This.
Show me John's hard thing.
Is the old mount
For the front mount.
for here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So,
the rubber's like a
ready,
rock.
boys and girls?
The rubber's like a freaking rock. All right. Great.
So
now we're set.
we have the new one.
Yeah, baby.
And I cleaned up all the bolts. Got everything taken care of that way. New washer. Big enough to properly be on there. Not the
little thing that
stupid
broke.
Friggin' lock washer, because it needs more than that. Yeah. So we're good. I'm just kind of double checking everything as we're going along, making sure I've got everything wiped up.
We're getting ready to bring the car down, and we're going to fill the master cylinder.
We're gonna fill your hole with fluids.
And then, what the fuck? And then we're gonna probably bench or bleed our whole brake system.
Yep.
Then when that's done, we'll go back up, finish up our transmission, get our drive shaft in, then back down, put our battery in, start
And
getting ready
be...
with fuel. Oh look, Grant, are you mashing the potatoes? Yeah, we're currently covered in T-birds between Victor and us.
Yeah.
Grant, everybody, welcome to the party. Hi, buddy.
Hello.
All right, we're finishing a video real quick. So
we'll get this taken care of. We got the new mount in.
Got to do the top mount.
Taken care of.
Got to do the top mount too when we go down.
Top rear mount.
Top rear mount, yes.
Never done one, so it can't possibly be that hard. I mean, I'm sure I can figure it out. It's not an issue.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, and you got schmegma on your lens.
I got.
No, that's fuck you. That's not schmegma.
There's a little bit of
schmegma on
schmegma.
your lens.
Yeah, I know. I'll wipe it off. Got a little excited.
Okay.
All right, we'll bring it down. Next thing you know, it'll be kind of on the ground, and we'll be doing some stuff up top.
Yeah.